Guess what? You're lucky. You may not even realize it, but sitting right there in your fridge is a super weapon against fatty liver disease. Gooseberries. Yes, this small, innocent-looking fruit is actually a liver-healing miracle. Packed with powerful antioxidants, vitamin C, and detoxifying compounds, gooseberries act like an internal cleanser, flushing out fat, reducing inflammation, and even helping your liver regenerate itself. Here's how gooseberries can turn back the clock on liver damage. Burns off excess fat. Helps clear out the fat smothering your liver, restoring its natural function. Detoxifies naturally. Flushes out harmful toxins before they cause further damage. Fights inflammation. Prevents liver cells from swelling, reducing the risk of scarring and permanent damage. Boosts liver function. Supports your liver's ability to heal and regenerate new cells. And the best part? It's so easy. Just adding gooseberries to your daily routine could be the game changer your liver desperately needs. Whether you eat them fresh, drink their juice, or mix them into smoothies, your liver will thank you. Why wait? Your miracle cure is already in your kitchen. Start today and give your liver the boost it deserves. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your support gives us the confidence to keep creating valuable content for you. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.